feel like this reel should come with a warning because this makeup tip I'm about to share with you is going to bring you more compliments to your beautiful eye color than you might be able to handle. And you know what's even better about what I'm going to share with you? It's only going to take you a minute to do this and it's going to look so natural. In order to understand the goodness of this tip, you need to understand the power of using complementary colors on the color wheel. So opposite colors. So for example, have green eyes, you're going to reach for more of those red colors or even the purpley red colors. If you have hazel eyes, you're gonna use more of the purples or the purple red colors. Now for the actual tip that's gonna make your eyes pop. Take one complementary eyeshadow color and an angled brush. What you're going to do is apply a little bit of that color right here on the inner corner and ever so lightly along your lash line. Bring that color out just a little bit. And this is what you get. My eyes are like popping out of my head. It's amazing. But yeah, it's so subtle and understated that someone would be like, what is it about her eyes today that just looks so amazing? And now I know you're probably gonna ask me what colors you should use for your eye color. Don't worry, I've put together little eyeshadow bundles that are gonna complement your eye color beautifully. See the description below for all the details.